Mike, Obama's ratings went way up, no surprise, when he got Osama. And suddenly everybody became in love with not just the U.S., but with U.S. Treasuries. U.S. Treasury bonds last week went up in price. Their yields went down. Does this bother you a little bit?
I think for a short period of time, Treasuries could be a bet on the Obama rally from getting bin Laden. But people eventually going to return to economics. The dollar is going to get weaker. Look, Bush the elder chased Saddam from Kuwait, and his approval rating went way up too. But because the economy was bad, his approval rating fell again back to earth. And I think the same thing is going to happen with President Obama, and the same thing is going to happen with Treasuries.
Well, listen, if you're lucky enough to own some of these Treasury bonds and Treasury notes that people are so in love with this week, I think it's a good time to get rid of them, because the long-term prospect for those funny little pieces of paper has very little to do with our president and a lot to do with the chairman of the Federal Reserve. He's printing currency like there's no tomorrow. Someday that's going to have to damage those IOUs issued by the Treasury Department.
And one of the ways that the Treasury has been masking its reliance on debt is it's been borrowing short term to capture almost zero interest rates. And eventually they're going to go back long-term by selling treasuries, and I think what's going to happen is at that point there's going to be a lot of pressure on the dollar, and that's what's going to cause the treasury market to tank.
Okay, sell U.S. short.